Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. Sorry about the absence again. I've been working on some big stuff, but what I really want to talk about today was more crypto related. That's really why I kind of created the channel in the first place. And I found something that I think you guys, I'm sure, have heard about all over Twitter. And I haven't seen a lot about it, like on YouTube or anything. And I wanted to just give my quick insights on this. So, like back in December of, I guess, 19. The crypto wizard was like all over Twitter and Instagram talking about how he's like going to create this huge platform. It's going to be amazing. And then they launched. I bought it. It was like 500 bucks for the platform, and then almost immediately it just kind of like went to shit. Like they stopped updating. They stopped doing all this stuff. The calls were non-existent. It was really just it was handled very poorly. So then, like a month ago, a month and a half ago, they came back. So Tori's gone, and we got a couple new guys on there doing stuff. And so up front, this is not paid. They have not asked me to do this. I'm only doing this because I posted on Instagram a couple times, and people have like messaged me asking me what I think about the platform. So I want to give my like no bullshit assessment of what I think of this platform. So I this is the first time I've logged in. You can see up top like it says all new. I haven't looked at any of this stuff in months. All I've been doing is following them on Discord and doing trades, and I'll show you an update from that at the end of this video as well, just showing the amount of money I made over the last month. I guess it was off like initially a $300 investment into what platform did I use? Admiral's Market or some or no Hugo's Way. It was Hugo's Way and MetaTrader 4. So that's what I use on my phone. I don't really log into this anymore, but I wanted to show you guys what you get if you do buy the Crypto Wizard platform. So right off the bat, you can see they got like a decent dashboard. It'll show you like they have a bunch of classes and stuff. Um, Not really much to do on the dashboard. It's kind of cool. Like just shows like the Crypto Wizard sweater and stuff or whatever. So they are making a bunch of new updates this year now that Tori's gone, and they're doing their own thing. But I took all these classes, or at least the majority of them. And if you're not into crypto at all, it is actually pretty helpful. It gives you like it talks about just like general crypto knowledge, and it talks about trading crypto and all that kind of stuff. So pretty helpful, especially for newbies. These I haven't seen really lately. There's a bunch of new books that came out. I've read like Rise of the Phoenix, which is about XRP. I'm sure you guys would like that for the most part if you're watching this video. Different checklists on like trading and buying crypto, ICO, centralization, decentralization. Then there's a lot about day trading and like Bitcoin. They're not like, huge fans of Bitcoin for obvious reasons because it's like an antiquated coin, which is fun to make money off of now, but long term, I don't really know if it's that viable. Personally, I offloaded my Bitcoin. I'm going to make whatever money I make off of buying and selling it, doing trading on it, and I think I'll make about as much money as I would have made if I would have kept my Bitcoin, just trading it. So, really not interested in holding Bitcoin long term. I don't really think it's for me. Obviously, make your own decisions, but so as we keep going down the list, there's a bunch of different examinations you can do. Talks about distributed ledger, smart contracts, basically just again general crypto knowledge. And for people that are new to this, very helpful. So there's even some stuff in here that I learned that I wasn't really tracking, and that was it was fun to do. And you like take the quizzes and see how smart you are. It's a good time. So here we have the Traders Hub, which is kind of interesting, like pretty cool layout. I'm a big fan of purple anyway, so I really like this, like just how it's set up. Um, what is this talking about? So total market cap, that's not accurate. So this is clearly not linked to anything right now. Market cap, I think right now is 370 or 80 billion total. That price, let's see. Okay, so Ethereum, I'm just gonna look, double check, see what. So market cap's 382, Ethereum's at 437. So that's the prices are accurate, but not the market cap. So the market cap must be pulling this information from somewhere that's not accurate. But as they're updating this, I think it'll be very helpful. I like it personally. I guess Link moved up. So actually, I had Link too. I sold my Link last night at like $19 and put it into XRP because as we'll talk about, XRP is their next big pump that they're talking. So right now we're at about 30 cents, but we're going to be potentially looking at 50 cents for XRP within the next month or so. So that's why I bought Link at $2, sold at 20, and put that money into XRP. And then when that goes up to 50, this is just the XRP. This is just like my trading stuff. So this is just what I'm trading with, not my hold'll. But like I said, I mean, I'm a huge fan of XRP, and I'm just kind of following their calls and moving stuff around a little bit on Coinbase Pro, and it's so far working out pretty good. I really don't have any complaints. Charts are pretty fun if you want to go in here and like do your trading. The charts are like really easy to do. You can create your charts. I was never really that good at this, but I think it's very interesting. And now that I'm finishing up writing my like selling on Amazon book, I'm gonna have more time to put to this because I always have to have something going on. So my goal is once this book is published at the end of the week, my next thing I'll be doing is working on day trading and actually learning a lot of intricacies that go along with that because it is very in depth. But I'm going to probably redo some of these courses and libraries and stuff that are on here because I did honestly really like it. And as they update it, I think I'll just learn more. I haven't put my portfolio stuff in here, so that's kind of we'll just ignore that. I haven't put any trade trackers in here either. I'll show you here in a few minutes where my trades are at. I just got to figure out how to upload those. And then journal, nothing, calculator. So they just kind of give you you can put in the type of trade you want. So let's say we wanted to do XRP versus BTC, do a buy. No, I don't want to do this. I changed my mind. All right, so here's the other cool thing that they do. So if we go into cryptocurrency technicals, they are updating this. So last update was August 16th, 2020. They'll update that again tonight. But you can see BTC, XRP, Litecoin, Ethereum. Those are like their top 4 that they do every single day. Every single day, they update all the technicals and tell you exactly what's coming. So if we click on this, you can clearly see next target 34.50.42, potential target 50 cents. I'm not going to give you guys any more than that. This is a paid platform that they have. I'm not going to give stuff away for free. This is just to show you guys, you know, if you're interested in it. I want to show you like kind of what you get for the $500 whatever they're charging right now. Personally, I think it's worth it. I've made more than that the last month, just off my $300 initial investment. And I'll show you that here right now. I'm going to log off of this. All right, so now I should have the month of trades that I did. So I just took a screenshot. I couldn't get this to work on my phone, like doing a screenshot or like the screen share. So if you just kind of look at it, I lost $300 in XRP, which was probably me making it up, to be honest with you. The majority of my losses on here are because like I might look at someone else on Twitter, or like, oh yeah, like, or I'm just hopeful, like, oh yeah, it's gonna go up, so I'll buy a bunch. I try to do like decent stop losses, but every once in a while I don't. But even regardless of that, for the month I'm up $1,323.35, not including that $200 we saw for my XRP trade that is up right now. So like really, it comes down to, is it worth it? If you have a few $100s and you want to learn how to trade and you want to learn like get these calls, I personally think it is worth it. If you don't have the money for it, I would not, like, don't put it on your credit card or do anything like that. I would just save up if it's something you're interested in. But in general, Like, I think these guys are very good at what they do. They're very smart. You're not going to win 100% of the time with anybody, but as long as I'm just following their calls and not making shit up on my own, my wins are pretty steady. And when I do lose, I might lose like $50. And when I'm winning. Like one time I was up $1,100 in like a day because of gold XRP, and I was up to like almost $1,000, or to $2,000, and that's when I took that like $300 loss in XRP and a couple other things. But in general, if you want to learn how to trade and you want to get, more importantly, if you don't have time to trade and you just want some like quality calls, I think that joining the Discord and the Crypto Wizard platform is a solid choice. I'm not on any other Discords. I don't subscribe to any other Patreons, nothing like that. I read some stuff on Twitter, but to be honest, it's really just the Crypto Wizard guys that I follow right now, and I'm pretty happy with it. I know they caught a lot of hate, but I think for what they've done, just like bringing it back, and they've been very consistent and they've been very steady with putting calls out every single night on Forex and cryptocurrencies. It's kind of hard to beat. Like I've been so busy writing my selling on Amazon book. So if you're interested in doing that, follow the link to my FBA group below, and I'll show you how to do that. Because I'm like you can make a lot of money on that, which is nice. So yeah, in general, if you guys want to do this, I would go for it. If you've kind of been on the fence, heard of them, think they're scamming people, I think there was an issue back in December, January, where there was a legitimate concern of being scammed. But they came back like full force. I think it took balls for them to do what they did, to be honest. Like they come back, and even on Discord, caught so much hate. Like people calling them scammers, like we want refunds, all this kind of stuff. But they killed it with the first couple calls, and then people are like, oh, like maybe they're like coming back and doing it legit. So I've got no issues with them. Not requesting a refund or anything like that. I'm gonna just keep trying to build up my trading balance and just kind of see what happens with it. If nothing else, I'm also doing these like hodl trades that they're calling. So I have a hodl trade on XRP right now. I sold my link. I bought some XRP, and they have a hodl link on VET right now. So if you're into VeChain, I would expect a nice little push here in the next month or so. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Other than that, I'd give them a chance if you're on the fence. I mean, one trade you could potentially make the whole price of the platform back. So that's just my opinion. Do what you're gonna do, obviously, but if the XRP calls come through to 50 cents, I'll be stoked. So I'll make my money back on the platform just from that trade. So pretty happy about it. Let me know what you guys think. See ya.